Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Starbucks rewards card. First, you'll want to enroll in the program, which is super simple to do through the Starbucks app or their website. Once you're signed up, you can link any physical Starbucks gift card you have, or just create a brand new digital card right within the app. Then, load some money onto your digital card to make paying for your favorite drinks and treats a breeze. Earning stars is the fun part. You'll earn 2 stars for every $1 you spend when you pay using your registered Starbucks card or the app. As you collect stars, you'll unlock different levels of benefits. For example, reaching 300 stars within a 12-month period elevates you to gold status, bringing even more exciting perks. Plus, all members enjoy free refills on brewed coffee and tea during their store visit. Now for the best part, redeeming your hard-earned stars. You can start redeeming with as few as 25 stars for an extra espresso shot or a dairy alternative. 50 stars will get you a brewed hot coffee, tea, or a delicious bakery item. For a handcrafted drink or a hot breakfast item, you'll need 150 stars. And if you save up 400 stars, you can treat yourself to select merchandise or a bag of Starbucks coffee beans. Managing your Starbucks rewards account is super easy with the mobile app. It's your go-to place to track your star balance, see your available rewards, and even order ahead. Consider enabling auto-reload so your card always has funds, ensuring you never miss out on earning stars. Also, keep an eye on the app for personalized offers and exciting bonus star challenges that can help you earn rewards even faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.